how many days in China?
Maybe 15 days.
Hello, where can I go to take taxi?
您可以在您左手边的直梯乘坐直梯到1层，航站楼的负1层，乘坐出租车。
สวัสดีค่ะ ถ้าเกิดว่าอยากจะไปขึ้นรถไฟใต้ดินต้องไปทางไหนคะ
坐地铁您需要在后面道直走对面就是地铁站，1层就是地铁站。
Today I saw many services, the new services, for example, payment card and telecom card combined together, and then the foreign user can take it to choose around China. It's really convenient, and especially I just tried this one, the AI translator screen. It's really convenient because the first obstacle for foreigner come to China, the first one is about the communication. But now when the foreigner come here and select their own language, two countries, two language can speak smoothly.